And guess what, guys? Apple is also one of the biggest markets in the world. All right, Apple is one of the brands that almost everybody wants to associate with. And imagine, woo! So today we'll be learning how to start investing with our Optimus. I'm so excited about this platform. I just started using it, and I tell you the truth, it is worth your try. If you don't know how to sign up and how to register and have this platform, I have a comprehensive video I did on step by step on how to sign up, get this app, and even fund it. If you want to start investing in foreign stock, not to worry if you're in Nigeria. The moment you have put in your Naira, you can do what is called swap. So what are we to do? Let's go back to our wallet. When you go over to your wallet, you're going to see the amount you have there. So what are you to do? You're to fund the amount. So I'll be funding it from my Naira, or you can also fund it with your money in the platform. So I'll be funding it with my money in the platform. So what I'm going to do, I'll just go to my OptiFlex where I already put money down. I click on my Naira, and this is the amount I kept into my saving, right? So I'll just click on it and I'll withdraw the money I would like to have. So let's just say I'm going to withdraw, let's say 20,000 Naira, and I'll click on done, and I'll click on review, and I'll click on withdraw. So it's going to now go into my main account. So if you check here now, you'll see that it is back into my main account. So what do? I'll just click on wallet, and in my wallet you can see I have my 20,000 Naira. So what am I to do? I'll click on my USD. So in my USD, I'll just click on swap. I'll click on, this is the amount, it's showing me the rate, 1,775. I'll just agree. Then you can also sell at 1,735. I will just accept, and I would like to start my investment. You can start with any amount. So let's just say I would like to start up with $10. Okay, so with $10 I'll be having 17,350. Or you can even start up with as low as $5, $6, any amount. Okay, any amount you would like to use. But I will be starting up, let's say $10. I'll be clicking on swap. You can see what I did, Naira to dollars. And you can also do the same, dollars to Naira. Okay, so I'll just swap. So I'm changing the Naira into dollar, and I'll just say review, and I'll say swap. So when I say swap, it's going to swap, and you can see, voila, I have my dollars now. So it's 9.77. So if you look at it, I have done 9.77. That's the dollars I got for it. So the next step now is we're going to move this money into our trading account. So I'll click on my trading. I'll just click on fund. I'll click on continue. So what's your employment status? I'll click on self-employed. I'll click on next. Provide employer's detail. I'll just fill this. Make sure you fill all this. So the next step is going to ask, how long have you been investing? So I'm going to say none, because we are new. Okay, you click on next. So what's your current annual income? So you're going to put your current annual income here. The next question says, what's your net worth, the value of all your assets? So you're going to also put it here. Someone may be confused, like what is the meaning of the value of all your assets? For example, if you have a house, a car, a shop, properties, check all the amount and what it's worth. That is your net worth. So the next says your risk tolerance. So what's your risk tolerance? This is your investment risk appetite. For me, I would say low. So please click on low. So let's click next. What's your investment objectives? Your main reason for investing: new, frequent, long-term, infrequent, active, daily. I'm going to be clicking frequent. Let's click next. Your liquid net worth. This is the amount of cash equivalent of your net worth. So let's put the amount also. The next one is your account maintained for a current or formal, politically exposed person. Say no, I will not answer this. I'll just click on no. And I'll click on next. Are you employed at a broker, dealer, or other exchange member? I'll say no, because I'm not. Is your account a publicly traded company? I'll say no, and that is the end. And well done. So fund your trading account. So we're going to click on fund, and I'll be transferring this 9.77 into this section. So 9.77. all right. So, and I'll click on confirm. Now it says review order. So I'm transferring this into my trading wallet. So I'll click on got it. So we can see that this has been added into my trading wallet. Amazing. So the next step now, after we've funded our trading platform, we're going to go over to our home. We're going to see invest your money in US stock. And you can see it's written new. So we're going to click on it. And it says invest in US stock. And it says start investing in your favorite companies with as little as $1. Oh my God, this is amazing. So we're going to be clicking on discover a stock. And we're going to be looking for the stock we would like to invest in. So if you look at this, it says the markets are closed. And I've come to find out that the market opens from 2:30. For me, I would say we should hold on, and we're going to continue our training by that time. So we will know the markets that are open and we can invest. But you can also invest, and then when the market opens, it will also put it in for you. So let's wait till 2:30. So now let's continue the training. When we click on it, you can see it's boldly written, the market is open. All right. And we have available to invest $9.77, right? Let's go to search and let's type in Apple. All right. Let's type in Apple. And let's click on Apple. Why am I choosing Apple? You know, everybody likes Apple and everybody wants to have an Apple phone. Okay. Let's go for it. Now, the next thing we're going to be doing, so when you look at this, you're going to see Apple, and you're going to see that Apple is selling for $226.95. Okay, so that's an amazing one. One thing I want you to know, stocks will always appreciate. Even if they go down, they will always come up again. And especially stock like Apple, you know, they are big ones. So they're a good place to start with. And because we're beginners, let's start with Apple. And one thing, I'm so excited to go through this journey with us because I am new to the stock market. So we're going to be enjoying all these benefits together. So UPL community, our Pella Academy, make sure you take all these new trainings and bring it on board. All right, so let's scroll down and let's see. So let's go find out. So about Apple, you can read about Apple. You can read about when it opens, the volume, today's high, you can see it. So make sure you go read everything about Apple, and then you can click on this more and then read more about them. Okay, so let's go on. Now the next thing we're going to be doing, we're going to be clicking on buy. All right, so when you click on buy, you're going to see buying power. You have $10 to $200. Then you also have the section written custom. You click on it. So when you click on custom, it gives you the power to put in the amount you would like to put in. So for me, I would say we should put in, let's start up with $5, right? So I'm going to be putting in $5. So my estimated shares is 0.02. Okay, so let's say 6. Let's say 7. Okay, so 7 is 0. Let's say 9. Okay, still the same. So let's just click on 7. So my estimated shares will be 0.03. So the moment I put in my $7 and it's showing me estimated shares, which is 0.03, I'll now click on next. As I click on buy, I'm going to see the $7 AAPL, which is Apple, and then it's showing me the trading wallet, it's showing me the market, it's showing me the share price, right? It's showing me my shares. It's showing me the total purchase amount. It's showing me the fees, then the cost, which is 6.89, and I'll just click on confirm. So after you have checked all this, just click on confirm. Wow, amazing. So it says congratulations, your buy order of AAPL has been successfully executed. Then we'll click on OK. So it shows that your 7 order of AAPL is queued and will be placed when market is open. All right, so I'll just click on done. Woo! Ha ha ha. So market is open, remember. And guess what, guys? You know, Apple is also one of the biggest markets in the world. All right, Apple is one of the brands that almost everybody wants to associate with. And imagine, just $7. Can you imagine? Oh my God, I can't believe this. But anyway, this is what it is. So let's just leave it at 1 month, and we're going to see this stock that we've bought for 1 month. We're going to see how it's going to appreciate in 1 month. And we just bought a share in Apple with just $7. Can you imagine? So you don't need to have all the money in the world. Not at all. You can see how much I started with. You as well can start with that. So amazing. So now let's check where they wrote my stock. Oh my God, you can see in my stocks now, you can see that I have my stock here. You know, before, if you check here, you see that it was empty. But now it's showing that you are a proud owner. All right, so thank you everyone for watching. And this is what I have for us today. Make sure you like, comment, put your comments in the comment section, your challenges, and how this video has been helpful. So, oh my God, congratulations to us. So if you know you're here and you followed through this process, kindly put in the comments, I have invested. Make sure you watch the next video coming up. Like, share it to a lot of people, and let us change our story together. So thank you guys for watching. I'm Alpella, and this is Alpella Academy, and see you in our next video. Bye for now.